Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Mirror My Videos in Microsoft Teams. So if you have this feature enabled and you no longer want to mirror your videos while in meetings on Microsoft Teams, it's pretty simple. Just go to your Microsoft Teams account, log in, and then head to Settings and More Options here. Choose Settings, and then from this sidebar menu, head to Devices. Now under devices, head to video section, and under it, look for this option, mirror my video. Currently, you can see this option is turned on, and we are told changing this setting will only change the view for you. However, these settings doesn't currently work in together mode. To disable this, now turn off, and this will disable mirror my videos. So that's how you can disable mirror my videos option in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.